When you're pregnant, you'll probably get a lot of unsolicited options about your body and babies. One of the most popular topics for discussion is whether the little bundle you are carrying is a boy or a girl. There are a lot of old wives' tales that claims they predict the sex of your babies. Here is some information to help you separate myths from facts. Skin condition. Some people believe that a girl baby will steal the mother's beauty. On the other hand, some people say that boys won't give you as much acne. Hair condition. The same will be applicable for the hair growth also. With a boy, your hair will be longer and more luster. With a girl, it will be limp and dull. Cravings. Women often experience new cravings when pregnant. With boys, you crave salty and savory foods like pickle and potato chips. So if you are craving salty foods, then you are pregnant with a boy. And some people think that if a woman craves sugar, she may be carrying a girl. Next is heart rate. One of the most universe myths about gender revolves around your baby's heart rate. If the beats per minute are under 140, the baby is supposed to be a boy. And if it is higher than 140, it is a girl. Morning sickness. With girls, the thought is that hormone levels are higher. For the reason, you will have more morning sickness. With the boys, you should have smooth sailing in the sickness department. The truth is that morning sickness can vary from woman to woman and pregnancy to pregnancy. So these are some myths and facts and the sign of the unborn baby boy or baby girl. Hope you like this video and see you in the next video. Until then, bye and stay safe.